fried egg, fried plantain, and bread. Here are some healthier ways for you to eat this meal. Eggs are good sources of protein and fat. Bread, good source of carbohydrate. Plantains as themselves, good source of carbohydrates. When you're going to fry the plantain and the eggs, you add fat calories. Generally speaking, especially within the Caribbean geography, when it comes to eating breakfast in households, we can eat 2 slices of bread. We can have 2 eggs. We may also have half of a plantain per person. This is where calorie load becomes excessive. So the tip herein revolves around you reducing your portioning, specifically for the egg as well as the bread. Considering that the bread and plantain gives you good source of carbohydrates, what you're doing is you're reducing your load of carbohydrates from the bread, and in so doing, you're reducing your calorie load, which would also come from carbohydrates. Similarly, when you reduce the number of eggs you eat, you also reduce the calories that will come from the eggs. Keep in mind that eggs in the form of calories give you protein calories as well as fat calories. So if you reduce your eggs from 2 to 1, you have the calorie load, which will come from fats as well as proteins. Making this adjustment will help you to stay within your calorie targets within the given day, week, month, and as such will assist you towards achieving your weight goals. Take care.